Cambodia's economic growth, 2025-2026. Cambodia stands at a pivotal moment in its economic journey. Over the past 2 decades, this Southeast Asian nation has transformed from a recovering post-conflict economy into one of the region's fastest-growing markets. As Cambodia moves into 2025 and 2026, the country enters a new phase of development, one defined not only by growth, but by transformation. The question is no longer whether Cambodia will grow, but how sustainable and diversified that growth will become. Cambodia's economy continues to expand, supported by strong domestic activity and international trade. According to projections from the International Monetary Fund and the World Bank, the country's GDP is expected to grow steadily at around 4 to 5% annually. While this is slower than the rapid expansion seen before the pandemic, it still places Cambodia among the more dynamic emerging economies in Southeast Asia. Exports, infrastructure investment, and tourism recovery continue to drive this momentum. Manufacturing remains the backbone of Cambodia's economic success. Factories across the country produce garments, footwear, travel goods, bicycles, and increasingly electronics components. These industries employ hundreds of thousands of workers and form the core of Cambodia's export economy, supplying major global markets such as the United States and Europe. Tourism also remains a vital pillar. For decades, visitors from around the world have been drawn to the iconic temples of Angkor Wat in Siem Reap. Following the pandemic, Cambodia's tourism sector is gradually recovering. New infrastructure, including Siem Reap Angkor International Airport and the upcoming Techo International Airport near Phnom Penh, is expected to strengthen international connectivity and support long-term tourism growth. Infrastructure development is also reshaping the country's economy. New expressways, logistics corridors, and special economic zones are improving trade efficiency and attracting foreign investment. Agriculture continues to support millions of livelihoods, with rice, rubber, cassava, and cashew nuts remaining key exports. Despite this progress, Cambodia faces challenges including a slowdown in real estate, rising household debt, and global economic uncertainty. Looking ahead, the country aims to diversify its economy by developing sectors such as electronics manufacturing, digital services, logistics, and renewable energy. Through regional trade frameworks like the Association of Southeast Asian Nations and the Regional Comprehensive Economic Partnership, Cambodia is strengthening its role in global supply chains. Cambodia has set ambitious goals to become an upper-middle-income economy by 2030 and a high-income nation by 2050. The years ahead will determine whether the country can transform rapid growth into long-term prosperity, a journey not only of growth, but of transformation.